I'm about to test out the Eureka NEW500 for the very first time. Just took it out of the box. We have it plugged in charging, and it is a beautiful machine. So this has a 35-minute run time. There are different modes, so I'm assuming if it's kind of like on that boost mode, of course that is going to eat up the battery a lot faster. It does have like an auto dirt detection, or so it says. We're going to try that out. So you can just kind of be on auto, but obviously if it's detecting like a major mess, it's going to go ahead and just like, you know, go into that boost mode. It also has like voice calls, so like you can, it'll let you know when your water tank is empty, when the dirty water tank is full, so it just kind of gives you those reminders, which I think is cool. And my other absolute favorite part, which I'm going to show you in a little bit, is the base right here. When you put it on here, you can actually do an auto clean of the like scrubber brush, so I think that is really awesome. So this one in particular, so it is a dry wet mop. You probably noticed that I have an egg in my hand because we're like going to like see if this actually works. We're going to put this to the test. And so this is meant for like hardwood floors and for tile floors, but it can also do some of those short carpets. Not anything like long and shaggy, but the shorter ones for sure it can. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off of the base. So up here at the top, this is where our clean water is, and we add in solution. It did come in some, did come with solution that we put in there. And then this is where the dirty water is. And so I'm going to go ahead and power it on. I have not tried this at all. Oh, and it's just ready. Okay. It's like, it just wants to go on its own. It is ready. Hold on, let me see. So it obviously stands on its own, and as soon as you put it up, it turns on. So it turns like off. So right now it is still on, but the second, so let's say like I'm doing something and then I'm like, oh, I get distracted, I can just put it up here and it will stop. But as you saw, the second I bring this back, it's like, it was vacuuming on its own. So we're gonna see who's faster here, the vacuum or my dog. I feel like as soon as I crack this egg on the floor, he's gonna come flying to it. So I gotta be quick, but are we ready? So I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna make a mess. Let's see what it can do. Oh. With one swipe, the eggshell too, ready? Oh, yes. Oh, here comes my dog. Oh. Look at that. So as you can see, obviously it's completely mopped it. I'm gonna get in here a little bit more. Oh, there we go, that auto boost. It's detecting that there is that yolk and all that slime right there, so it's giving it that boost. I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna grab this. And then now it's calmed down a little bit because it's like, oh yeah, so it's not too bad anymore. But it definitely kicked in that auto boost when it started to realize there was a lot that it needed to clean up. Oh, it's detecting this eggshell here. Oh, it grabbed the eggshell. So now he's like, chill. Wow. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Let's grab this eggshell. Nice. This is impressive. I am actually pretty shocked right now at how well this works. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. And hold on. As I said, I'm just trying to like figure this out. So there is a self-clean. I'm going to figure out where that self-clean button is, and I'm going to come right back and show it to you. All right, so once you have it on the base properly, it now says to step on this pedal to start the self-cleaning mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oh, that is fancy. I've never seen that before. Definitely have had ones where you just kind of push that button, but stepping on it, I think that is really cool. So basically what is happening is that it is taking, you know, the water, some of that solution, and it's actually cleaning the brush. And because literally we just picked up a sticky egg and shells, of course, there we go, beast mode right now, because all of that grossness is in here. So of course it wants to clean off the brush. It's even going to slightly dry that brush as well, because I think we all know if you just have like a wet brush sitting in there, it's gonna get stinky, it's gonna start to smell. So being able to clean that and dry that, and I don't even have to take it out and do it myself, that is fantastic. So if you are looking for a wet, dry mop, this thing right here is awesome.